Okay. So everybody can see the screen? Yeah? Yes? Okay. Okay, now everybody will be on mute. First, let me explain. Children, this is altogether a new thing for you. You have not done Roman numbers in grade 2. Roman numbers was not a part of grade 2 mathematics syllabus. Okay. So this is altogether a new thing. Pay attention, be focused, and first let me finish. And then, even then, if you will not be able to understand, then I'll repeat myself wherever you will ask me. Okay? Now, there are two things. One is Hindu-Arabic numerals. Hindu-Arabic numerals are the digits which are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 0 to 9, there are 10 digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 10 digits. These 10 single digits are Hindu-Arabic numerals. But when we talk about Roman numerals, there are only 7 basic letters. Only 7. And only using those, you can say letters, you can say symbols also. Who is using chat box? Okay. So, you can say symbols, you can say letters. I normally use the word symbols. Okay. And using only these 7 symbols, we can build up counting of Roman numerals. Like what we generally do, once our 1-digit numbers are over, then we put 1 and then 0 on right. So it becomes 10. Similarly, 11, 12, 13, when we talk about normal counting. But children, in Roman numerals, there are only 7 symbols that we will use, and we are going to create counting of Roman numbers using those 7 symbols. But there are rules which will help us to create the counting. Clear? Okay. What are those 7 symbols? The 7 symbols are I stands for 1. The value of I is 1. Then the second letter is V. Value of V is 5. Third letter is X. Value of X is 10. Fourth letter is L. Value of L is 50. Fifth letter is C. Value of C is 100. Sixth letter is D. Value of D is 500.
Ma'am, for L, what was it? I did not hear nicely.
50. 50.
50.
I will repeat. And for value of M, it is 1000. See, I is 1. Here it is written. I is 1. V is 5. X is 10. L is 50. C is 100. D is 500. And M is 1000. That means that we can build up Roman number counting till thousands, not beyond that. I mean, beyond that, so you people don't even think, you people will not be going even in thousands. That is higher, in higher classes you'll be doing it. But for the time being, you should know basics like till hundreds or something. Okay. Now children, if I have symbol for 1, how to create symbol for 2, how to create symbol for 3, how to create symbol for 4, because after 1 straight away I have symbol for 5. For number 2, number 3, number 4, these symbols are missing. Then after 5 straight away I have symbol for 10. So symbol for 6, 7, 8, 9 again missing. After 10, straight away I have symbol for 50. Yeah, wait, Larika. After 10, straight away I have symbol for 50. So all the numbers missing in between, we'll have to create. After 50 again, straight away the symbol is for 100. So those 50 numbers missing in between. Now you will have to understand rules with me that how do we build up counting. Yeah, Larika, you can speak.
Ma'am, I didn't understand what you said just now.
I said, see, we have symbol for 1.
Yes.
We have symbol for 5. We have symbol for 10.
Ma'am, I have wondered why we don't have 2 and 3 and 4.
Yeah, because there are rules. Using those rules, we will be building all the symbols.
Okay.
Okay, we have to build using the rules. We can build symbols till thousands. No problem.
And what you were saying just now?
Just now I was saying that, you can see these numbers written below, basic combinations. But you will not have to mug this up. No, you will not memorize this. I will tell you how to form these numbers.
Okay.
Okay, you have to create these numbers using the rules. Everyone is with me on the same page? Are we clear? Till here, I have only told you 7 symbols. That's it. And the value of those 7 symbols. Shall I start with rules?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to digest symbols?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Ma'am, what I was thinking that was the...
Okay. Rule number 1. If a numeral is repeated, that means addition. If I am repeating the numeral, the symbol that I have, that means repetition means addition. You people know that repeated addition is multiplication?
Ma'am?
Yes,
ma'am. Ma'am, can you give one example of yes, ma'am.
Sure. For example, what is the value of I, Alarika? 1.
1, yes.
If I repeat I 2 times, what will it be? It will be 1 plus 1. It will become 2.
2. Okay.
If I repeat I 3 times, what will it be? 1 plus 1 plus 1.
1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 3.
3. After, I cannot repeat now more than 3 times. Here comes the...
Or it will become IV.
No. Yeah, very good. Who is it? Ivy?
Aradhya.
Okay, Aradhya. So that means that when I am repeating the symbol, that means addition. Clear? I'm adding the same number again and again. The same number again and again, not the different number. Clear? So, first sentence is that if a numeral is repeated, it means addition, which I just now explained. Second statement is a Roman number can be repeated up to maximum of 3 times. I can repeat the same number maximum 3 times. I can repeat I maximum 3 times. I cannot say I is 4. I can't go beyond 3 times. So minimum is 1, then comes 2 and maximum is 3. Yes.
Ma'am, if I want to make 30 in Roman number, what I have to do?
Okay, what is the symbol of 10?
The symbol of 10
is X.
X.
Okay, so X plus X means what? 10 plus 10 plus 10?
Plus 10. 30. Okay. 30 so we have to plus it.
If I'm repeating the symbol, if I'm repeating the symbol, Alarika, that means addition itself.
Okay, we have to plus the Hindu Arabic number of the Roman numbers.
Correct.
It is XI.
Okay. XI पे कौन जा रहा है? रुक जाओ, उसको confuse मत करो.
Oh, and 300 is CCC, right?
300 पे कहाँ चले गए, Alarika? Yes, it is CCC. Wait, you're jumping. You're going from ones digit to tens and then to hundreds. Don't jump like that. Okay. Another very important thing, you can never repeat symbol V. Again, there is a barrier. You can repeat I up to 3 times, but you can't repeat V even twice. Repetition of V is not allowed. You can't write VV. No. You can't write VVV. No. That's wrong. That doesn't come under the rule. Okay? So repetition of I is allowed up to 3 times.
Yes.
Repetition of V is not at all allowed. And then repetition of X is also allowed up to 3 times. This much clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
We will go step by
Yes,
step.
ma'am.
We will not hurry. Okay, I'm not in hurry, but you should be clear with it. Okay, see.
Ma'am, and no.
See here, look. If I repeat 1 3 times, it becomes I. Just now what Alarika was asking. So the number is 3. If I repeat X 3 times, which is allowed, the number becomes 30. Okay. But I cannot repeat X more than 3 times. I can't say that X will make it 50. No. What do we use? We use symbol L for 50. We don't write X 5 times for 50. Correct?
Yes.
Right? Okay. Leave this now. Now come to rule number 2. If one or more smaller numerals are written after a greater numeral, their values are added. Tell me which is bigger. I is bigger or V is bigger?
Ma'am, V.
V is bigger. And I is smaller. So if I write I on I is smaller, if I write I on right hand side of V, that means addition. Whenever we write a numeral of smaller value on the right hand side of the numeral of a bigger value, that means addition. What is the value of V? V means
5.
5. And I means?
I means 1.
1. So what is 5 plus 1?
Ma'am, it's
6. So that is how we get the symbol for number 6. VI. Because we are writing I on right hand side of V, which is allowed. Whenever a number of smaller value, whenever a symbol of smaller value is written on the right hand side of the symbol of bigger value, that means addition. But wait, Alarika. But if I write this is V, this is at the same place. But what if I write I on left hand side of V? Now, if
it is 5.
no, if I write I, but do not interrupt.
Ma'am, it is 5.
Do not interrupt. Do not interrupt. See, there you're breaking the rule of the class. I said when I'm explaining you to listen and then we'll discuss.
Okay.
When this I goes on left hand side, that means when a symbol which has smaller value is written on left hand side of the symbol of a bigger value, that means subtraction. I have V is the bigger symbol, its value is 5. I is the smaller symbol, its value is 1. So IV means 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, Alarika, now you can speak.
Ma'am, if we have to make 2 numbers, so we know just one number. So how we will know the second number?
Which second number?
If I want to make 40, I know one number, but how I will know the?
We will be using the rule. See, okay, 40 tak jaane ke liye, which symbol do I have nearby? I know the symbol for 50.
Ma'am, it is X.
1 second. I know the symbol for 50, Alarika.
Yes.
What else do I know? I know symbol for 10 also. 10 also I know.
Yes.
What is 50 minus 10? 40?
Yeah, 40.
Now let me apply the rule. What is the symbol of 50? L.
Yeah.
So how can I make 50 minus 10? If I write X on left hand side of L, this means 50 minus 10. This means 40. But if I write X on right hand side of L, it means 60. Because writing X on right hand side of L means addition. So 50 plus 10 will make it 60.
That is L. Okay.
Okay. So what happens? सबसे पहले you have to see that which symbol has greater value. Write that first. Now which symbol has smaller value? Now the smaller value 1, if you will write that number on the right hand side, then that means addition. But if you use the same symbol on the left hand side, then that means subtraction. Simple rule. If you are writing that on right, that means addition. If you're writing that on left, I'm talking about the symbol of smaller value. Bigger value wala number will not change its place. It will remain at the same place. Okay, only the smaller one will have to jump from right to left or left to right to make the smaller or the bigger number. Okay? Okay, Udipan, what is it? Udipan, go ahead.
No, ma'am, nothing.
Nothing. Let me repeat the rules again. If one or more smaller numerals are written after a greater numeral, their values are added. Now, you people know that symbol X means 10. If I have to make 11 children, I will simply write I on right hand side of X. What does this mean? This means 10 plus 1. It makes it
11.
And if I write one more I, what does that mean?
12.
12. If I write one more I, what does that mean?
13.
Can I write one more I? Is that allowed?
No. Write V. X, I, V.
Ma'am, you cannot write one more than 3 times.
Yes, I cannot repeat I more than 3 times. I cannot repeat V at all. And I cannot repeat X more than 3 times.
3 times. X,
Clear?
yes.
Okay. I cannot repeat L. Like V, I cannot repeat L. Not allowed. I can repeat after L which symbol comes? C. I can repeat C. Okay. Let me tell you this magical game. Let me go back up and I'll tell you one thing and you will never forget. Okay. See, what are the symbols I, V, X, L, C, D, M? You can repeat I 3 times. That's the first symbol. Second symbol, you can never repeat. Third symbol, which is X, again you can repeat 3 times. Fourth symbol is L, you can never repeat. Fifth symbol is C, you can repeat it up to 3 times. Sixth symbol is D, you can never repeat. And then again, seventh symbol is M, which you can repeat up to.
Ma'am, I understood this.
It is a very simple game. It is a very simple rule. You can repeat I 3 times. You cannot repeat V. You can repeat X 3 times. You cannot repeat L. You can repeat C 3 times. You cannot repeat D. And then you can repeat M 3 times. Very simple. Yes, Mukund.
Ma'am, we can repeat one number 3 times. Then we will leave one number. Then the next number we can repeat 3 times.
Leaving one in between. Leave the second one. Leave the fourth one. Leave the sixth one. Every alternate number you will have to leave. अब आप look at your basic combinations.
X और 90 का X C और 100 का C.
Who is this? 100 का C. Mute. Okay. C. Symbol of 1 is I. We all know. In order to make symbol of 2, we are repeating I 2 times. I is 2. I is 3. Now I can't do I. That's not possible. I know symbol of 5, which is V. And I know that 5 minus 1 is 4. So let me write I on left. This means 5 minus 4. So I get symbol of 4, which is I. I know symbol of 5, which is V. Yes?
When we are subtracting by any number, a number, we write it in that way, and the number that we get in originally, it gets in this way only. You mean to say this?
I didn't understand you there. Yeah? I repeat yourself again.
Ma'am, I said that you said how you told us how we can subtract. And
Yes.
so if we are subtracting it, the number which we use and the answer which we already get in not in numerals, not in Roman, that the way the subtraction is happened,
Yeah.
the answer is the number is that.
Yes, yes. The answer is the same. Yeah. Now, what to do in order to make 6? I know V stands for 5. So if I write I now on right hand side of V, I can make it.
Ma'am, it's 5
6.
plus 1 because V stands for 5 and 1 stands for 1.
Yes. Now VI means 5 plus 1 plus 1. VII means 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now the problem again comes when it comes to number 9. I have symbol of 10 and I know that 10 minus 1 is 9. So let me write the symbol of 1 on left hand side and I can make it for 9. Then I know symbol of 10 is X. How to make symbol of 11? In order to make symbol of 11, I will have to write this I on right hand side of X.
X and 1.
XI, not X1, it's XI.
Yes.
Then to make it 12, I can put one more I. Then to make it 13, I can put one more I. What about 14? 10 plus 4 is 14. I know symbol of 10. I know symbol of 4. So this problem is over. Once you know symbol of 4, symbol of 6 and symbol of 9, it becomes very easy. You can use it everywhere. Am I clear, children? Am I making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody, any doubt you want? Yes, go ahead.
Ma'am, this is Mukund. For 15, we will do for X, and then we will do a V.
Correct. Absolutely right, because 10 plus 5 is 15. Yes. And then what to do for 16? XVI, because VI is 6 and X is 10. Similarly, 10 plus 7 is 17. So XVI.
Ma'am, someone is drawing on the screen.
I know I have disabled annotation now. That was Admina. She was trying to write. Now, children, I am going to give you a 5-minute breather. Okay, it's already 7:35. Today we didn't join late. Correct? So a 5-minute breather is required and then we'll join back at 7:40. Okay? All right, children? Yeah, please go for a break for 5 minutes. Adi, even you can go for a break, bacha. I think I should keep a record of the attendance. Nippon, why did you join in so late? Darling, why are you late?
Ma'am, I was stuck in internet connection.
Okay, dear. No problem. Who has logged in with the name Zayan? Zion or Zayan? What's it? Who is it? Is it Zion or is it Zayan? Bacha, who is it? This is a new name in my class. Kindly respond. Where is that child gone? Gayab from the class. Oh God. Chalo, everyone. When I say break, no, get up from the place, Larika. Because once we sit at the same place, you know, our body needs to roam around.
I had gone and I have come back just now with bottle.
Okay. Chalo, I'm coming after 2 minutes. Okay. You people have break till 7:40.